Good morning, dear students. Our today's activity is tear and paste activity. Instruction for the activity: use only your hands to tear the paper. Materials required: 1 A4 size sheet of white, blue, and green color, pencil, eraser, and a black marker, Fevicol, big round bowl to make a circle. Or students, you can use any other round object to make a circle. Students, take your white sheet and on your white sheet write down the name of your school, that is St. Mary's Convent School. After that, you have to write your name, date, class, UKG, section. Students, today we are going to do the tear and paste activity. Shall we start? Yes. Okay. Students, for this activity, we are going to make a earth. Have you seen a earth? Look at the paper. Here you will see the picture of a earth. This is our earth. We are also going to make this picture with the help of tear and paste activity. So let's start. For making the earth, I am using this bowl. You can also use a bowl for making a circle. Put it like this. Take your pencil and do the outlining. So our circle is ready now. See, here is the circle. Now we will make the green portion of the earth. Start making curves like this. On this side also, draw like this. On the bottom side also, draw these curves. And a small one here and here also. So the picture of our earth is ready now. Now after making this earth, you have to do the outline of this picture using a black marker. After completing your outlining, take your eraser and rub it off. Wow, your earth is ready for your activity. So let's start. Take your blue sheet and green sheet. Take one bowl. Now what we will do? We will hold this paper and start tearing it into small pieces. You can use your both the hands for tearing. See, this much quantity you have to tear. Students, remember, don't tear big pieces. Tear small pieces like this. After that, take your blue paper. In the same way, you have to tear it. Start tearing. So your blue papers are ready. Here are your green paper and here are your blue paper. Keep them aside. Now in one bowl I have taken Fevicol. You can directly apply Fevicol. Students, as shown in the picture, this portion is our land and land is green in color. So here, 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 here and here we will put green papers. Using Fevicol, firstly we will put Fevicol like this. You can use a brush or you can directly apply the Fevicol from the tube. Now take the green pieces of paper and put it on the Fevicol. Stick the paper nicely. Don't leave gaps in between. This is how you have to paste the paper. So this is how we will complete our green portion. Similarly, here we will put some Fevicol. Now start picking green papers and put in this portion. Green portion shows land. Repeat, green portion shows land. Our earth is covered with land and water. Very good. On this portion also we will apply Fevicol, spread it evenly, and then we will stick the green pieces. Take green pieces of paper and start putting them on the Fevicol like this. Students, remember, you don't have to leave gap in between while pasting. We have completed this portion also. Now apply some Fevicol here and here. Firstly, I am applying the Fevicol in small portion. After applying the Fevicol, now I am going to put these pieces of blue paper. Put them nicely. Now in the same way, apply Fevicol to this remaining portion and put these blue papers. So students, here is our final picture of the earth. This is how it will look after tear and pasting. Now students, finally our tear and paste activity is ready.